Do you want Live Transcribe to keep your transcription longer? You can control how long your transcription history is stored. Let me show you how. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Hearing Enhancement. Tap Live Transcribe. Tap Open Live Transcribe. Now, tap the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Here, you will find transcription history. If you turn it on, your transcription history will be saved for up to 3 days. However, if you turn it off, your transcription history will be deleted after 24 hours. Choose the option that works best for your need. And that's how to manage transcription history in Live Transcribe on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.